Why SQL skills matter in data science.
SQL is the backbone of data analysis, enabling professionals to extract and manage data efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, mastering SQL is essential for tasks like querying databases, joining tables, and preparing data for machine learning. Strong SQL abilities open doors to a range of data-driven careers, from analyst to engineer.
Codecademy, interactive learning experience.
Codecademy offers interactive, hands-on SQL courses perfect for beginners and those looking to reinforce their fundamentals. With guided exercises and real-time feedback, learners can build and test queries in their browser. Step-by-step lessons cover everything from basic select statements to advanced join techniques, making it a top choice for practical skill development.
DataCamp, SQL skills for data science.
DataCamp specializes in data science-oriented training and delivers a wide range of SQL courses. Its curriculum begins with SQL basics and progresses to more advanced topics, contextualized for real-world data analysis. The platform offers interactive exercises using actual datasets from business and science, with assessments to track your progress effectively.
Codecademy, free and comprehensive SQL tutorials.
The Codecademy provides free, beginner-friendly SQL tutorials. The platform's instructional videos and embedded exercises help demystify SQL syntax and logic. Concepts are explained clearly, supporting learners who may be new to programming. It's a solid, cost-free way to build a foundation in SQL at your own pace.
Coursera and edX university-level SQL courses.
The Coursera and edX host SQL courses from leading universities such as Stanford and the University of Michigan. These courses offer a blend of video lectures, readings, and hands-on projects focused on real-world data science applications. Certificates can enhance your resume, while flexible scheduling lets you learn around existing commitments.
Choosing the right SQL resource.
Selecting the best platform depends on your learning style, budget, and career goals. Interactive platforms like Codecademy and DataCamp work well for hands-on learners, while Coursera and edX suit those seeking formal instruction and certification. Explore free resources like Codecademy to build confidence before tackling advanced projects in your data science journey.